Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to upload a library of products in Squarespace. Adding multiple products helps us organize our online store efficiently and get our items ready for customers more quickly. Let's start by opening our browser. When the browser is open, we go to squarespace.com. Then we log into our account. Once logged in, we go to the mini profile logo and click this account dashboard. When we are on our website, we click the website or go to our website. Now that we are here, we click the website and then click Pages and then click Edit. After the page loads, we click Add Block and select Sell a Product. Here, we can add a product and either upload an existing product or create a new one. For example, we can create a new product. In this section, we see options for downloads, create or upload all the products at once, add images, manage inventories, and upload files. When we are done, we just need to click Save. This is how we upload a library of products in Squarespace. Once our products are added, we can manage inventory, pricing, and categories easily.